Good morning, customers and friends. I'm here to help out you people who have left your Christmas shopping till the very last minute. Unlike the Grinch, no judgment here. First of all our Christmas fabric is 25% off. So if you have some projects that you have to spit out at the very last second, here it is. Our Christmas panels are 40% off. And there are lots and lots of cute ones, including gnome ones, which everybody seems to love, even though I feel grinchy about them. We also have some kits that are on sale. This kit is 30% off, this adorable little tree pillow. And some other gift ideas, panels 40% off, that make into aprons, wine sacks. So some good ideas for gifts there. Just on a little side note, we are still holding our pillowcase drive for the Morning Star Boys Ranch. To date, we have had 154 pillowcases donated. Bring them in, because there are always people that can use them, and it's a wonderful cause. On a Christmas note, this lovely quilt is a class, and you can get this kit. It's not on sale because it's a class, but you can use your gift cards for it. And you may or may not have heard that our gift cards, if you buy $100, you get an extra $20 up to $500 in $100 increments. So if you bought a $500 gift card, you'd actually get $600, which is a pretty doggone good deal. We also have some quick and dirty gifts. These adorable felted wool pin cushions. This rotary cutter is one of our newest things, and it's customers are really liking it. It's nice and heavy, so it gives you a little extra oomph when you're cutting. These are Treasure's very favorite scissors in the whole world. They are beautiful things, as you can see, the action. And so we now have those in store. This little set is an embroidery or applique gift set with all the little tools that you can use, a bodkin and a needle case and scissors. And it's all nice and Victorian looking, so those of you who are into the classics will love it. My personal favorite, wool mats and irons. We have the Mighty Steam Travel Iron. It's a travel size iron, does have a cord, and it also has steam, which is awesome. We have several brands of irons. We have heard really good things about them, and the Chi is new for us. We've heard great things from our customers. We also have a stock of puzzles, which we don't have all the time, but which are terrific Christmas gifts, and especially with it being so cold and snowy out, puzzles are a wonderful thing to have at home. Also, we have some special items in celebrating our CAFE Special Edition machines. We have glasses cases and rotary cutters and project bags that are all in CAFE's designs. This is a pin tin, and even if you don't like the pins, the tin is adorable. An umbrella, lots of different CAFE designed special things, and that of course includes the special machines, and more about that with Santa Claus. Ho, 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 ho. Hello, Santa.
My friend, Mr. Grinch. So I'm here to talk to you about a few of the machines that I still have room for in my sleigh that are guaranteed to wow any sewer. We've got our Cape Special Editions here. We've got our 475 Cape. This is a in the stitches, and it is the perfect travel-sized machine for any sewer who might already have a bigger machine, or somebody who has a smaller machine who wants a 7-inch throat space and actually wants to go a little bigger. Now, we also have the 770 Cape. This got the lavender faceplate. It also comes with a rolling trolley that matches. It also has a custom dust cover that matches. But the really fun thing is if you get embroidery with it. If you get embroidery with it, you get an embroidery carrying case that matches. You get an embroidery cape bundle with a bunch of cape embroidery designs inside, as well as a few other goodies. You get a fabric bundle from Cape, and you get version 9 Bernina software, which allows you to do a lot more with your embroidery designs beyond just what is built into the machine. Okay. Now, if all this isn't good enough for you, we got another deal for you. Come this way. There's a couple different other specials going on. First of all, if you have been lusting after the Bernina Crystal Edition for a year since it came out as a special edition, this is our last one. You can get these beautiful Swarovski crystals. You can get the custom carrying case as well that comes with the special edition. This is it, so you gotta be quick because somebody's gonna snatch this up for their sleigh. Okay, we also have, through December 31st, you can get the Bernina 790, which is their top of the line 10-inch throat space machine. Comes with sewing, with embroidery, with sideways motion, which is the ability to move the feed dog sideways and get these really big monograms. If you get this, or if you get the 880, which is the top of the line 12-inch throat space, also comes standard with embroidery, also has that 360-degree motion. You get a free serger, and not just any serger, an air threading full color screen serger. This is a beautiful Bernina serger. They're powerful, they're quiet, and best of all, they're air threading, which means that you do not have to mess about with any of that looper threading. The screen means that you don't have to be an expert at your sewing or your serging when you get started, because it will guide you through every single step. If you're switching from one stitch to another, it's going to tell you everything you need to do in order to make that switch. All of our brands, of course, are running financing through December 24th, so please do come check out the gifts that you might be able to give yourself or a loved one. I will also mention that Bernina is having their 25% off December sale. Luggage is 25% off, hoops are 25% off, and feet are 25% off. Other than that, we're just open for your questions and queries. Don't forget about the gift card sale that the Grinch mentioned. And otherwise, hi Max, I wondered where you were up to. Max and I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas, and to all a good sew, and we will see you when the new year is through.